The Avid Power is one of the best designed rotary tools available these days. For its small size, this thing is extremely powerful. It has a higher RPM than other similar tools built for the purpose of sanding, grinding, cutting, and so on. Not to mention that the RPM of this tool can be easily adjusted from 5,000 to 25,000, depending on the project at hand. Seriously, this best rotary tool works like a masterpiece. Some past buyers have rightfully stated that it works well for everything you use it for. Also, this thing is not as noisy as other corded rotary tools out there. The noise level of this device is totally bearable. Not to discount the fact that it won't get hot during use. Therefore, you won't have to take numerous breaks in the middle of the task to cool it down. Product features. This is a cordless model. So, you won't have to worry about long cords getting in your way, which will definitely improve your work efficiency. Plus, this thing features 4 LED lights on the front to illuminate dark areas, allowing you to work easily, even in dim light spaces. Moreover, this power tool comes with 60 pieces of accessories to help you complete most home projects that are expected out of a power tool of this nature. At the maximum setting, it's powerful enough to blast through loads of materials without any fuss. Frankly speaking, this power tool is so good that the majority of the past shoppers have commented that they would love to do business with the company again, whenever the need presents itself. Pros. For less money, you are getting a feature-rich rotary tool. Equivalent products come at a seemingly higher price tag. Since it's a cordless tool, it has been used literally anywhere. You don't have to be near a power outlet to use this rotary tool. Despite being a cordless rotary tool, it doesn't lack power or speed. Believe it or not, it functions as good as a corded rotary tool. Cons. The battery dies pretty quickly, especially with constant use. On the bright side, it also charges very fast. If you like to buy or like to know more, click on the link below.